So after the blocks, the next thing we'll go into is how you can put text onto the CAD drawing, and specifically how you can have forms on for the user input, such that when they type something in, it will automatically show up on the CAD drawing. And the simplest example of that is to add, to allow the user to change the title information. So I'll add text note over here. And previously I know that I want this at a height of 48.4. So I drew this particular text here just as a reference for myself to get the right X and Y position, the right height, and the correct width, such that when I want to create this from DynamicBuild, I know what that is. So the X and Y positions are this and that. Its height is 48.4. and its width is almost 1400. So now I can go back to DynamicBuild, go back to my projects, edit the project. So I had one form for my power selection. I'll create a second form. I'll call this title block info. I'll create a text input, and I'll call this drawing title. And for the desktop display, what you'll notice is you have 4 individual positions. So the smaller it is, you can go to the smaller LG, or you can go to LG12, which will make it full width. So in this case, I'll make it full width, LG12. I'll create a new engineering output. And for the drawings, I will go to my text input reference. I'll add a new text input reference. And then I'll say my drawing title, which I created previously. Now to get the X, Y, Z position and text style, I'll go back to my CAD drawing. Grab the X position. Grab the Y position. Grab the width. And the height should have been 48.4. Text style, I'll leave a standard. Save that. So now the test is out, I can go back to my project. So now I have a second section for my forms. In this case, I made it full length. So I will say drawing title is test project. Press download CAD. Now if I go to my CAD drawing, you'll notice test project. So anything that the user puts into this drawing title will automatically show up over here. And then similarly, you guys can create other text input references for a project date or comments that you may want to put on this drawing individually.